Okay, you guys, so I have the new Kat Von D 24-hour super brow long wear pomade, and I got it in a couple shades, which I am wearing right now, dark brown. I also do have medium brown and walnut. I use walnut to create the hair strokes inside of my brow as well, but my favorite is the dark brown because it looks super natural. Like I said, it's a little bit lighter than the Anastasia dark brown, but I feel like this one is better because it looks more natural. Yeah, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys if it is 24-hour wear and if it is waterproof or if it budges, and I am through talking to you like that. So keep on watching if you want to see how I apply the product and the tests of will it budge. Keep on watching. I don't quite like the medium brown one, and the dark brown one is, in my opinion, definitely a little bit lighter than the Anastasia Beverly Hills dark brown, but it does, like, you know, flatter my face. I feel like it's actually perfect. It's a little bit lighter than the dark brown from Anastasia, but it's actually perfect. I actually really like the way that they turned out. The walnut is what I use to kind of create those hairs in the front and throughout the brow. And I really do like them both. The walnut has been working so super amazing with all of my NW50 girls. Like, I've been really loving the walnut shade for those ladies. When I initially tried it out, I tried it out twice. I absolutely tried it out twice because I was ready. I was stoked. I was like, ooh, I'm about to have something different from Anastasia, something to, you know, just to be greater. And my first 2 days, like, I just felt like they would not set. Like, it just looked like a sheen on my eyebrows the entire day. And you know, if you know me, you know that I'm a police officer. So I was working out here in the sun all stinking day, and like, my brows never set. They still had a shine to them. I would touch it, some of it would transfer to my hand, to my finger, and I would just be like, bruh, I can't wait to take this shit back because this is not what it do. But I got up onto Instagram and I saw my girl Christina Mitchell saying like she absolutely positively loved them, and she was sent the product, but she's very sweet. She's very nice, but she will tell it how it is as well. And her brows looked matte, so I was just like, bro, why is her brows looking matte and mine looked so shiny the whole entire day? And she even said like, okay, she, you know, fell asleep in it, and you know, she woke up and she did like a tiny touch up to them, but they were ultimately like very gorgeous, and her brows are always really nice, neat, and pretty. So I was just like, okay, well, I'm gonna give it a third shot because, again, the first day I wore medium brown, the second day I wore dark brown, and neither shade set for me. Like, they didn't set into a nice matte to where that they would look natural. They just looked like I had a waxy gel onto my eyebrows, so I didn't like it. So I don't know if this will help anybody else, but for me, what I had to do was actually to warm it up on the back of my hand and then apply it to my face. And when I did that, I feel like it changed the consistency of, or the formulation of it. I don't know which, you know, it changed the formulation of it, because then it actually dried down onto my face. And that was my major key to actually having the product to work. And when I tell you, you guys, every last girl that I've done in the last couple weeks, or the last week and a half, I have applied these Kat Von D brow pomades onto their face, and this looks so super amazing, and it's so easy, and they look like they're stuck on their face. Like, they look like they're stuck on their face. They look super natural. They feel super amazing on myself. I can't tell you how they feel on the girls, but they did really well. And lately, like, whenever I was doing it, the first day that I actually got it right, I was at work trying to rub this shit off. And if you can tell, like, I'm really scrubbing my hand, and there's still so much product still on my hand. Like, I'm really rubbing my hand. I did apply some of like the hand soap. I put it on my hand, and I wasn't like scrubbing or anything like that, but I was going over it to work it into the product. By 30 seconds later, I still looked like I still had the same amount of product on my hand. So let me actually show you guys that. Let me show you guys. So I'm actually going to take a little bit of this Bath and Body Works gentle foaming hand soap, and on camera I'm going to show you, like, I'm rubbing it in there, rubbing it in there, rubbing it in there. You see me just wipe that off my hand? And you see I still have basically the same amount of product on my hand. So now I'm going to take a wipe, not a wipe, but just a paper towel. I've been wiping off like excess foundation from like my brusher or off of that spatula. I'm going to apply some pressure. And you see I still have more product on my hand. Now I'm going to take an actual makeup remover and see if I can get that, and I'm gonna see if I can get that last bit off. And this is the Bioderma micellar water, and I just have like a little bit left. And see, look, I still, you see that little dot right there? Yeah. See, it's literally still there. All right, so my camera died where I was using the Bioderma micellar water, and I literally still have like the smallest dot on my hand. And you guys, I don't know what more to tell you than, you know, Kat Von D is definitely, you know, blowing Anastasia out the park. And, you know what I'm saying, trying to throw that shade, you know, but y'all, I know we got some die-hard Anastasia fans out here because they trying to get that come up. I want that come up too, but I still gonna be honest with you, okay? I'm gonna still be honest with you. Kat Von D done blew her out the park with these brow pomades. I'm just saying. Now, this, in my opinion, is the true test of waterproof, because this is like, this soap here, like, I felt like was definitely gonna get it off there because it's so, like, I'm not gonna say it's acidic, but it's definitely, you know, it breaks down a lot of stuff for me. I feel like Kat Von D did her thing with these brow pomades. She did come out with some other colors. I got 3 of them. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. I got 3 of them. I bought this with my own coins. These with my own coins. And I am absolutely positively in love with them. Like I said, walnut on my dark skin girls has like is perfect. Absolutely positively perfect. I can go darker to whatever the darkest one is. But my brows look amazing. I love my brows. It looks super natural. It's super lightweight. It is like when you're first using it, like I said, it's very creamy. And like I said, I don't know what it was, like, you know, as far as just taking it straight out of the pot. I don't know if you can, you know, go straight from the pot, or you have to let it warm on the back of your hand or not. Like, but it worked for me to put it on the back of my hand, and that is what made it set and be matte. Because straight from the brush to my face, I mean from the brush, from the product to the brush to my face doesn't work well for me. But putting it on the back of my hand and then apply it, it works for me. Maybe, you know, my face is different. I don't know. Tell me if you had similar, you know, situations with the product. If you know it just never set or settled down or became matte or anything like that, leave some comments down below if you've tried this this pomade, you guys. So that is it for this review, you guys. I actually positively do feel like this is a super must for you guys to pick up the Kat Von D brow pomades. She did her thing. She did her thing. You guys, I will see you in my next review. I know I'm wearing the same makeup, same look, same background, all that, because I'm trying to get out a couple of videos for you guys so that I can get back onto my consistency. So, you know, just bear with me, you know. I'll come out with some looks very soon, hopefully. And I will see you guys in my next video.